Have you ever wondered how a boy from a small town who sold newspaper to support his family become one of the most respected leader of a nation? Today I will share the inspiring story of a simple man who dreamed big, worked hard, and proved that success is not about where you start, but about how strongly you believe in your dream. This is a story of a scientist, a teacher, and a true inspiration. In a small town called Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu, a boy was born on October 15th, 1931. His family was not wealthy. They lived in a modest house. Life was simple. His father owned a small boat, and his mother took care of the home. From the young age, this boy understood responsibilities. To support his family, he sold newspaper after school. While other children played, he worked. But he never complained. Instead, he observed, he learned, and he dreamed. He loved mathematics and science. He often looked at the sky and wondered how birds and airplanes could fly. That curiosity slowly became his ambition. After finishing school, he studied physics. Later, he chose aerospace engineering because he wanted to build flying machines. It was not easy. There were financial struggles, there were academic challenges, but he remained focused. After completing his education, he joined India's space research program. This was the beginning of a challenging journey. In the early year, many projects failed. Rockets did not launch successfully. Experiment did not always work. Failure could have discouraged him, but instead, he chose to see failure as a lesson. He believed that failure meant first attempt in learning. Slowly, with teamwork and determination, success came. He played a major role in developing missile technology. Because of his contribution, people began calling him the Missile Man. In 2002, he became the President of India. But even in the highest office of the country, he remained humble. He did not act like a powerful ruler, he acted like a teacher. He visited schools, he spoke to students, he encouraged young minds to think differently. He often said, dreams are not what we see when we sleep. Dreams are what keeps us awake. After his presidency ended, he continued teaching. He loved interacting with his students. He believed that the future of nation lies in the hand of its youth. On July 27, 2015, while delivering a lecture at a college, he suddenly collapsed. He passed away while doing what he loved most, teaching. His life was not about power, it was not about wealth, it was about purpose. He showed that background does not define destiny. Hard work is stronger than circumstance. Dreams are stronger than difficulties. So, the next time you feel limited by your situation, remember this story. Greatness does not begin with resources, it began with beliefs. If this story inspired you, take one small step toward your dream today. Thank you for listening. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep dreaming big.